Hey there, Tesla fans. Aaron Rath here from Rath's Tesla, and I have owned my car for just about 2 months. I got it on July 26th, and today is the 24th of September, so just short of 2 months. But something's happening today that I thought honestly would never happen. I am getting a software update. That's right. Right now, as we talk, my car is downloading 2021.32.21. Stick around. I'm going to tell you what's in this release and give you some thoughts. You're watching Rath's Tesla. All right, peeps. So like I said, I just downloaded 2021.32.21. I was on what seems to be a very old software version because I was on 2021.3.104. So I didn't get all these other updates in here that you see. So if you see 2021.32.21, let's see if you can see this up top. There we go. Up top here, the only update that came in that version is immersion sound audio improvement. So if I click on it, it says now has additional granularity along with an auto setting, which will adjust based on the type of content playing to access tap media, audio settings, immersive sound. So let's look at it real quick. So we're going to go here, drag up, go to settings, go to tone, and then at the bottom here you can see immersive sound. So I got standard, low, and off, but then I have an auto that I can turn on as well. I'm going to leave it on standard, and let's go back to our software updates here. Go back to our release notes. And what I want you to understand is when you're on an older version, like I was, 2021.3.104, I collected everything that has come in since then between now and today. So I got 2021.32 new language support. So I got the Greek language support. Then I finally got 2021.24, which had Disney Plus, car wash mode, mirror auto dim, dash cam improvements, range display, remain connected to Wi-Fi in drive, and some more new language support. I also got Skyforce Reloaded and another language. I got the camera updates in my cabin. I got some minor cold weather improvements and bug fixes, which is really good considering we're about to hit winter here in Colorado. I got all of these updates as part of nope, those were all there, excuse me. So basically from 2021.4.12 up, I got in this update. So I got quite a few updates in this download. So I make this video not to necessarily talk about what's in this update, but this is for new Tesla owners. What I want you to understand, and I'm telling you this because I just learned it as well today with this download, is that when you get an update, a lot of times you're going to catch up with everything that's underneath it. Like I said, I didn't have Disney Plus, car wash mode, mirror auto dim. I didn't have any of that stuff on my car because my software version was sitting at 2021.3.104, a very old version. I've had my car for about 2 months and I haven't had an update. So don't give up. When your car finally does update, you're going to get all the stuff in the back. Now I will tell you, I have a Model Y, obviously. I did not get the Sirius XM update that I know some of the Model S's are getting, so not sure if that's just going to be a Model S item or what, but I sure would like to have it in my Model Y. So you'll have to tune in to see if we get that down the road. So thanks for watching this real quick video today. As I said, with this software version, make sure you click the subscribe button down below and the bell so you get notified when we have new videos up. Also, make sure that you drop a comment. Let me know what version you're on. Let me know if you're on a different version on a Y. Maybe a different version of software on something other than the S that has Sirius XM. That would be good. I know that would be something that would give other Tesla owners something to look forward to if you're looking for Sirius XM. I like Sirius XM. I use it in all my vehicles. It's just easy and I really like it. So thanks for watching today. Quick video. Get out and go drive and be safe.